Hi students, this is the Community Club webpage on Scholastic.com, so I just want to guide you through it. Here are all of the different community helpers that you can explore. So let's look at the police officer. Police officer, you can start the reading and you can click on the images to see the full size if you would like to. Start the reading. So you are more than welcome to listen to the reading if you want, or you can read it on your own. So you just click on that to listen, pause. You can read, I am a police officer. I protect people in my town. I work with people in the community to make our town safe. I teach them about the laws. And then you can go through the rest of the book. And like I said before, you can click on that button if you would like to listen to the text. That might be easier for you if you don't know the words that you see. And then you can just go through the book. You can listen and read. And then at the end, there's going to be a short quiz. What did you learn? Choose the right word to finish each sentence. A police officer protects, I think the answer is people, so I'm going to choose people. A police officer drives a police, I think it's car. A police officer teaches children how to stay, I think it's safe. And then press enter. And then you can always read it again, or you can go to more books and you can learn about another community helper. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoy this website.